How to fix TikTok shop order not processing. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the TikTok application, you want to simply make sure that your internet connection is actually working. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, you want to simply open the TikTok app again. And here you want to simply go to your profile, tap on three bars at the top right of your screen, and if you have the TikTok shop option available, you'll be able to find an option here called orders. You can simply tap on that order section. You'll be able to refresh your order status and you'd be able to verify that your payment was successful as well. And if it was, you want to simply restart the TikTok application, and that should fix your order not processing problem. However, if the problem still continues, you want to simply contact the seller or TikTok shop support. If that issue, you want to simply go to you can also go to your profile. You can also go to the profile of the person that you have bought the product from, and you'd be able to contact them as well regarding the problem. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.